Meghalaya's Minister for Revenue and Disaster Management, Kyrmen Shylla, had briefed the press today about reports from various districts on the damages caused by Cyclone Remal.
Yes, actually I have a report today which we received at 11 a.m. So this report shows that many households were affected and many public were affected because of this cyclone, which is really shows great, it's on a great alarm when it comes to the cyclone in Meghalaya, which is even the nearby state also are affected. So when it comes to Meghalaya, as per the report which we have received from different districts and from the Deputy Commissioner, so as of on date, in eastern West Khasi Hills, which is under Mairang and Maltharashan Sinadi block, we have seen that 1,243 population were affected, and seven villages were affected, and 3 houses. The infrastructure affected, we have 4 public roads and 11 poles, electric poles. These are the affected, which falls under the Eastern West Khasi Hills. And we have yes, and even these electric poles which are which fails, the department are trying to restore it back one by one. Is still under process, so waiting for it to recover back. So when it comes to West Chandy Hills, under Jawai Urban and Thatlaskin block, we have seen that because of trees fallen and then electric poles, landslide, all these things, it affects 7 villages and 1 house and 1 school and 2 electric poles. And the departments are on the job now to restore it back. And we have under Maukanreo, Soyong and Melim block, East Khasi Hills, we have 8 population affected, 4 villages and then 2 houses and 1 infrastructure, that is a wall, and number 1, and the second one is that a public road. These are the infrastructure affected. And we have also in West Garo Hills under Tikri Kila, Demdema, Rongram and Dadingre and Gambigre. These are the block affected, which we have witnessed falling of trees, electric poles, and many areas which have been affected by electricity without electricity. So we have 761 population affected, 72 villages, 173 house damage, 5 public properties, 4 schools, 1 farm, 1 MFC building, 8 polyhouse, 6 vermi compost unit. These are the 25 infrastructure affected under this different blocks of West Garo Hills. North Garo Hills, we witnessed 1 public road affected and then 1 electric line. These are the infrastructure affected, which shows no villages affected and then no population were affected. And we have in South Garo Hills, trees, fallen of trees this morning, and then in East Chandy Hills under Wapung Sinadi block, fallen of trees this morning, and which we have witnessed also under Wapung Sinadi block. As per the yesterday's report, there's one person lost his life in East Chandy Hills. And we have also in Southwest Garo Hills, as per the report we have received, since 26 May 2024 there's no electricity, so the department are on the job to restore it back, this power electricity.
Kyrmen Shylla also announced that the state government has released an amount of rupees 19 crores 85 lakhs for relief measures in the affected districts of Meghalaya.
As per this report, which was given to me by our officers, 19 crore 85 lakh has been released to different districts. All the 12 districts, this amount has been released for immediate relief.
So
this amount can be
crores.
19 crore 85 lakh. This is the amount released to different districts so that they can utilize for immediate relief, and they need not wait for all those norms to be followed. They can go ahead because they know the norms thoroughly, and as per that they can release the money, and then the procedure to be followed later on.
I would like to share that after the cyclone and the after impacts of it, there have been some damages in some parts of the state. In some parts, we have also lost one life in Jayantee Hills region, and the ex gratia has been given to the respected family members. At the same time, all the damages that have taken place in different parts, especially homes of individuals and the families, the necessary support has been given to them also. The administration has acted very fast. We are also facing challenges in terms of the power supply. For that also, the MECL is really working on a war footing. The damage is very extensive, but MECL is working with large manpower and additional manpower, and we are hopeful that very soon the power will be restored in most of the parts of the state. Already major part has been done, but in the next few hours and next maybe day or two, we will see most of the power being restored back.